Hey guys, it's Tiandra Oriana, and today we will be working with the company Luvme hair. I have had the pleasure to work with this company 2 times already, so I already know that they got bomb hair. Today we will be reviewing their Kinky straight unit. So this is their Kinky straight unit. It's a 13x4. The inside is your regular standard cap. It has 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. It even comes with an adjustable strap already sewn into the wig, and it comes with adjustable straps in the back. This is how the lace looks on my skin. The knots did not come bleached, so I had to bleach those, and I did pluck a little bit of what they plucked. So there's really not anything that I do new to an install. So yeah, I don't really have that much to say, but if you do want a step-by-step, like very detailed video, I already did a recent one, like really recent. So click the link above or down in the description box. I did cut my cap a little too soon before the spray was, done drying. So on the side, like on my sideburn, my wig cap is lifting up a little bit, but that's fine because I'm going to take the, this glue right here and just lay it down. Okay, so boom, this is where it went downhill because, like, as you can see, that glue is still white as heck. Like, what is wrong with me? Like, don't do that. Like, do not follow my direction on this part right there because, look, you can see that that is still white and it's seeping right through the lace. Like, you can fix it with some hairspray. I think that's what I did, but it just looked crazy. And like the install, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. Like, it's bothering me. You see it? I'm trying to fix it now. Okay, so that's after the glue has dried, and the hairspray definitely did help with that, so it's clear now instead of it being white. Try not to let that happen, but if it does happen, just use a little bit of the hairspray before the glue has time to dry. So after I cut this off, I'm going to take some Sea Breeze to clean off any extra glue that I might have. And I'm just going to finish up, the installing part. And I'm going to show you the 2 styles that I do, but you'll see those at the end. I just want to say thank you so much, Luvme Hair, for sending me this unit. It is super natural, very cute. And I give this wig a 10 out of 10. It was super soft and thick, which I love. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.